Hi guys! Once again, this is my 2006 Kia Sedona, and once again with some strange problem. This time looks like we have stuck front caliper, which is making the brakes very hot and smoky. So check this out. Look at this. This goddamn thing is keeping really strong. So today we'll try to show how to fix this as fast and as cheap as possible. I cannot even move it by hand. This guys looks terrible, and this is really the problem. So I'm going to replace these pistons here. And it's finished and repaired. For the repair kit was about 25 bucks, and I spent a few hours, and right now we've got nearly new caliper here. Of course, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just in case the other side will get jealous about this side. So to prevent problems in the future, I'm going also to do the other side. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.